Hey, what's going on, guys? So yes, I have another potato chip taste test. So, when there's something new and weird, I like to try it. Pretty much that's what it is, right? But I figure, well, if I'm trying it, I might as well share it. But then I feel like, all right, well, half my videos are now like trying different potato chips, right? So I said to myself, let's not just buy every new flavor. It's got to be different. It's got to be weird in order to get it. Literally the next day, I'm at the grocery store and I see these. Now, it's not a big surprise since it's already in the title. These are Lay's IHOP chips. The flavor is Rooty, Tooty, Fresh and Fruity, which is strawberry top pancakes with syrup and bacon. So, yeah. That's weird. This is the weirdest flavor of chip I've ever seen. Ever. So I'm assuming it's going to taste, this is what they're promising me here, that I'm going to taste strawberry, I'm going to taste pancakes, I'm going to taste maple syrup, and I'm going to taste bacon. Those four flavors better be in here, because I paid the full $5 for this stupid bag. I looked at the ingredients real quick while I was waiting for my camera to do its thing. Potatoes, that's still nice. The first ingredient's actually potatoes. Vegetable oil, canola oil, corn, soybean, sunflower oil, sugar, less than 2% of salt, brown sugar, citric acid, corn syrup solids, yeast extract, natural flavors, lactose, interesting, strawberry powder, maltodextrin, bacon fat, cornstarch, vegetable juice, stevia, leaf extract, which of course is going to give it sweetness, and annatto extract. Contains milk ingredients, which is the lactose. So it's interesting, first of all, if you're lactose intolerant, these are not for you. You would never know that by just looking at the front. I mean, you can have some serious digestive issues if you're lactose intolerant, taking too much lactose, right? Or in some cases, for some people, any lactose. So, I'm not like one of those people that are like, oh, you should have a bunch of warnings, but you should probably just write lactose on the top or something, so at least people had a fighting chance to know that before they get massive diarrhea and stomach cramps. I, however, am not lactose intolerant, so I don't really care. I'm just kind of thinking. So, here we go. Trying out. By the way, I'm wearing an Amish shirt, which I did not buy when I went to Lancaster County. My parents got me this shirt when they went previously. It says, living in an Amish paradise. Of course, they got Weird Al on there. Great song, by the way. All right, here we go. What is this going to taste like? Ooh, that smell is off-putting. I wasn't expecting that. It smells like vomit. I gotta clear my nose. Oh, no. It does. It smells like it smells like a bag of puke. Ew. Alright, so there's definitely strawberry in there, like in the scent. But it smells like, I don't know, like something went bad, like a little rancid. Oh, I wasn't expecting that at all. They're kind of reddish, pinkish color. Let's see. There's a nice little size. They look like they're red hot or something, or, they look like they're spicy, but they're not. They're going to be sweet, apparently. Ugh. Just not, ugh. Ooh. Okay. Anyway, here we go. Let's try it. I don't know what to think of that. Try another one. That's so weird. Wow. Okay. Not what I expected at all. I thought this would have like fake bacon flavor to the max and like all maple syrup. That's what I thought it would taste like. I thought it would be bacon, maple bacon. That is not the case at all. The predominant flavor here is actually strawberry. It's strawberry. It's sweet. It's not like really, really sweet, but you could tell there's like a, not like a candy shell, but like as thin of a candy shell, I guess, as you can imagine. There's like a layer of like sweet spray they put on there, and it kind of, you know, got hard. That is just so weird. But yeah, it's definitely strawberry. I really don't taste bacon. If anything, it's the strawberry with the pancake. Let's see. Okay. That one had a little more flavor on it. Definitely picking up a little bit of the maple. Which I know. I'm just not getting the bacon. Interesting. Maybe they cooked it in some bacon fat to give it like an essence of bacon, but not really overpowering. Yeah, I mean, they're weird. They're super weird. I mean, having slightly sweet potato chips is already weird. It's definitely not something you're used to. It's usually a bold, salty experience. Very savory, never sweet. It's nice you could taste the strawberry. I mean, ultimately, it's supposed to taste like, you know, you're at IHOP. And you cut your pancakes and you stick your fork in the pancakes. You stick your fork in the, you know, a little bit of strawberry topping, right? And you stick it in a little piece of bacon, and it's got a little syrup on the bacon, maybe. And you take one big bite, and it's supposed to be all together, right? I don't quite think they nailed it. Such a weird experience. They're not bad. After having a few of them, like, you know, smelling it does not smell good. No, it doesn't smell good. The flavor is just, it's not horrible. I mean, I wouldn't get them again. I would never get these again. It's just an experience. It's a total gimmick. That's why I got it. Okay, last one. Strawberry. There's definitely a pancake type thing going on here. It's hard because the potato chip is potato, and the potato flavor is not in here at all. But that's what's throwing this off, is that you have to add the potato flavor because you can't take the flavor out of the potatoes. Does that make sense? I mean, maybe there's a process where you can have a bunch of potatoes and do something to extract the flavor, so they're pretty much flavorless, but obviously they didn't do that. So if they have bacon fat, so they have bacon flavor in there, they have strawberry flavor, strawberry powder, right, and the lactose, whatever, to give it like a creamy sensation or whatever that's supposed to do. Or maybe that's supposed to contribute to the pancake flavor. I don't know. But it's like all the flavorings they put on the potato might be that. The bacon is just, for me, like I said, I really can't taste it. Maybe it's there. I'm sure, like, if I had a bowl and I'm just like watching something, not thinking about and eating, you know, a few at a time, whatever, that might be different. You get a lot more flavor when you're doing that. You know, when I'm taste testing like this, I'm trying to concentrate on the flavor, you know, instead of just eating it as a snack. But for the life of me, I just can't pick up on the bacon. But I can taste the strawberries. That's dominant. I can taste the sweetness that, and not just the sweetness, but like some kind of a cakey thing, like a pancake, you know. So yeah, I can see where they're coming from with that, and I can definitely get a little bit of maple flavor, right, from the syrup, which is subtle, which is nice because it's not overpowering. I love bacon and I love maple syrup, so if that's all it tasted like, I'd be a happy camper too. But it's just, it's weird because it doesn't. It really is the strawberry, a little bit of pancake, something buttery there, a little bit of sweetness, and a little bit of the maple, and no bacon to me. But yeah, that's it. I saw this online, and I thought it was fake. So when I was at, it might be exclusive to Walmart. I got this at Walmart. And when I saw the picture, I literally thought it was a fake picture. I'm like, oh, that's so strange. People making up all kinds of crazy stuff on the internet. I didn't know it was an actual flavor. when I saw this on the stand, I laughed. I literally laughed out loud because I'm like, oh, that's not fake. It's a real thing. So this opens the door for anything. Anything at all. Ice cream sundae flavored Lay's, you know, liver and onion flavored Lay's, you know. They could do anything. Interesting. So, yeah. I mean, I'm going to really try not to get caught up in like, oh, I got to try that flavor. Oh, I got to try that flavor for the camera. This was weird. This was an exception. If I see something as weird as this again, you'll probably see a video on it. Otherwise, I'll probably pass. It's got to be a very specific thing. It can't be like garlic cheese or something like that, you know? Like I saw at the store, they had garlic cheese bread chips. Now, I thought immediately, oh, I got to try those. And then I thought, no, I don't. I know what those are going to taste like. It's going to taste like slightly cheese, slightly garlicky. It's not going to taste like garlic cheese bread, you know? So, or garlic bread, you know, with melted cheese on it. I didn't think it would be like that exact flavor, so I just passed. That's all. I don't buy every single chip I see, you know. But, you know, I make videos. I make YouTube videos, so it's always a great excuse. Like, oh, I could try it. I could make a video on it, you know. These were just so weird and out there. I had to get it. I had to. But anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you try these, what is it? Rooty Tooty, fresh and fruity. Looks like booty fresh. That's right. It is booty fresh in here. So yeah, I mean, just weird. Weird flavor for a chip. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you tried these, post in the comment section what you thought of it. If you want to go try them, I guess Walmart. You know, you can probably buy them online too, have them shipped to you. Because it's 2024, you can have anything shipped from anywhere on the whole planet. Isn't that amazing? Do you ever really think about that? Like, if you go back in time and explain to someone, like, yeah, like, not only can I see right now what's going on in China, but if I see shoes on someone's feet in China, and I want those exact shoes, I can pay them money through a box where we communicate and tell them to send it to me, and they're going to put it on a plane and, you know, fly it over to me. It would just sound like magic. The whole concept that you could literally buy anything and have it shipped anywhere in the world is amazing. Now, not quite literally everywhere, of course. If you're like in, I don't know, the edge of Alaska, there's just no, you know, there's exceptions. But for the most part, if you live in a normal society, yeah, you can get pretty much anything you want from anywhere. Pretty amazing stuff. So, if you want this, you probably have it shipped to you. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.